Astrology is not 100% correct, because people do not say the exact time of birth. Even they do not like to hear negativity. But we are defining with percentage value. Today we are talking about Scorpio. People who born between October 24th to November 23rd are Scorpio. The percentage value indicates 0 to 35%, not compatible. 36 to 55%, still no good match. 56 to 76%, understand each other. 77 to 89%, so good compatibility. 90 to 100%, by-born soulmates. Scorpio compatibility with Aries. 40%. It seems they are good friends with positive compatibility, but in relationships, be alert on this. Scorpio compatibility with Taurus. 79%. So good compatibility. Still you both can get along with each other, but remember to fulfill the wishes of your partner as he or she needs care more than another things. Scorpio compatibility with Gemini. 55%. Clash compatibility, but if you are already in this relation then try to know about each other more and don't lie to your partner. Scorpio compatibility with Cancer. 85%. Really good compatibility. Your dreams are high, but you should know the limits of love or cheat. Take care of your partner and stop cheating on them. Scorpio compatibility with Leo. 70%. They love each other's company a lot. Usually they love to go out together, but when they spend more time together it ends up with a fight. Scorpio compatibility with Virgo. 39%. Both of you are good in mind reading but weak in understanding the other one. Try not to break hearts, carry on with your relationship and show the inner power. Scorpio compatibility with Libra. 58%. They love each other's company a lot. Usually they love to go out together, but when they spend more time together it ends up with a fight. Scorpio compatibility with Scorpio. 72%. A match with full of respect for each other. Try to respect first, then think about your relationship turning points. Scorpio compatibility with Sagittarius. 60%. You can be compatible, but some problem will appear when you get to know more about your partner. Scorpio compatibility with Capricorn. 82%. They both are blessed couples and they have many more things to explore in life. Stay blessed. Scorpio compatibility with Aquarius. 68%. They both are understanding and they have many more things to explore in life. Stay blessed. You have trust and love both in same quantity. Scorpio compatibility with Pisces. 82%. You can make it, as you have trust and love both in same quantity. Hope you get your desired knowledge from this video. Share with us your thoughts about the zodiac compatibility.